NITECORE continues to surprise us with another pen. This one is the NITECORE NTP40. This is a pencil made from titanium. So as you can see over here, we have a titanium alloy mechanical pencil. We have 0.5 millimeters lead. It uses again a German mechanism on the inside. Some info on the back. So let's open the package and see what we have inside. So as you can see over here, we have the anti-slide threads over in the middle. We have the refill on the cone in the front, the streamline clip. Again, it uses a little diamond over here to clip on the clothes, and a crystallized cap. So let's get to it. It's better. NITECORE NTP40. Here we have the pencil itself, really high quality, again super lightweight. On the back we have a diamond crystallized cap. And here we can see the tip. So if you are an artist or you write a lot with a pencil, this is really a must. It's totally unique. Let me show you the dimensions for this product. (138), and it is super sleek. 8 millimeters, 8.8. Let me show you the weight. This is almost 22.5 grams, so yeah, it's super light. So as you can see over here, we have a crystallized tail cap. It has a little more grip, you can feel it better. Here we have a 0.5 millimeters tip, German company. And over here on the back you can put the tips. It already has 2 extra. So yeah, that was the NTP40. I hope I helped you a little bit with this video unboxing. It wasn't really a review, it was just a pen, but this is a really awesome quality. So if you are working with pencils, this is a must for you. Thanks again for watching. I will put all the links down below if you want to check them out, and see you in the next one.